Good morning, everybody. In the previous video, we have discussed the process of appointment of Supreme Court judges by His Excellency, the President of India. In this video, let us discuss the procedure for impeachment of Supreme Court judges. It is contained in Article 124, Clause 4. It says that a Supreme Court judge may be impeached with two-thirds majority in both houses of the parliament separately, and that number should be more than 50% of the total membership of that house. So it is a very tough process to remove Supreme Court judges. We know Parliament consists of several parties which are mutually conflicting. As such, it is not easy to find a consensus to remove a judge. If all the Parliament members come to the conclusion that one should be impeached, irrespective of their political party affiliations, and such judge is truly liable to be impeached. So he is indisputably impeachable. But what is important in this article is that for what reasons a Supreme Court judge can be impeached. We know the President of India is impeached under Article 61 if he violates the Constitution. If he does not violate the Constitution, his impeachment is not valid. Even if resolutions passed with 100% of the majority in the legislatures, the Parliament, the President cannot be impeached unless he violated the Constitution. Such is the power of the President of India. That is the relationship between the President and India. We know the President takes oath to preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of India and the law, and to devote himself for the service and well-being of the people of India. Such a lofty oath he has taken to preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law. But whereas Honorable Supreme Court judges take oath as per Schedule 2 of the Constitution that they would truly abide by the Constitution, that they uphold the sovereignty of this country, and that they would deliver justice without fear or favor. So Supreme Court judges take oath to truly abide by the Constitution, and the President takes oath to preserve, protect and defend it. So President is impeachable only when he violated the Constitution, and the judges are impeached for their misbehavior and incompetence. Such a lofty cause of violating the Constitution is not given to them. Their cause of impeachment is misbehavior and incompetency. These are the very low-level qualifications which apply to any of our subordinates. Misbehavior and incompetency. We should understand that who should decide their misbehavior and what is misbehavior. That is decided by the Parliament. The misbehavior. And their competency, even their competency of delivering judgments is decided by the Parliament and the President. Their behavior is judged by the Parliament and the President. This being so, the system of the Constitution, the judiciary is not expected to form collegium system and say that we are not answerable to the Parliament or the President. Parliament and President, of course, are representative of 140 crore people of this country. If you say that we are not answerable to the Parliament and the President, it amounts to saying that we are not answerable to India, to whom else you will be responsible, answerable? Is there any authority to decide upon misbehavior, incompetency, etc.? Now we are seeing 5 lakh under trials are aging in jails, 5 crore cases are pending in judicial system. At least 40 to 50 crore people of this country are awaiting judgments from the judicial system. That means almost half of the country is awaiting justice. It is not small number by any count. So definitely, the judicial system is plagued with so many problems. Main among them is delay, and then the costs, and then the uncertainty, and fourth is answerability of the judges to some authority. So, there is nothing in the constitution to suggest that the judiciary is above the parliament and the president, and in fact, nobody should be more than the king, and no one can be more loyal than the king, nor can be more powerful than the king. If we have to uphold or save the sovereignty of this country, we have to honor, uphold the dignity of the parliament and the president. We know the president is deemed to have been elected by each and every citizen of India, from child to old, because the vote of each MLA in presidential election is counted on the basis of the population in his constituency, not voters. That is the reason why he gets authority to rule over the country, and he is the representative of the people of this country. Thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. I continue to bring the constitutional, conflicting, contemporary issues to your knowledge with fond hope that it may help the country for a change in social, political, economic order. I request you to please subscribe, share and comment on my videos, and I will be glad to reply to your worthy comments.